Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, actually yesterday I was on the street around the same time and I was going the opposite direction. But today, little detail. It's a monk. Today I'm walking the opposite way. I'm walking towards something called the Great Swing. Actually, these roads are a little bit dangerous because there's no space for walking. Might need that ambulance soon. Let's try to get across the street. So I don't know what the name of the street, we'll find out later. But I have noticed that there's a lot of temples, a lot of Buddhist things. So beautiful. There's a whole row of them down there. But there's also a row of them up here too, so. If you try to find this area, just go to something called the Giant Swing. It'll bring you to a temple. That's how I found it yesterday. I've been to Thailand many times, but there's always something new. So this is all new to me. I never knew any of it was here. Yeah, and yesterday I went to this temple. I think I can hear it a little bit in the background. But I'm going to try to go in a different direction today. Pretty cool. Wow, Virgin Mary. No, it's not Virgin Mary, it's Guanyin. I live in Macau, so there's statues of Chinese Guanyin, and she has different names in Cantonese and Mandarin, but she's like Goddess of Mercy, I think. But she reminds me a lot of Mary and the Catholic religion, and Macau has both Buddhism and Catholicism because of the Portuguese and the Chinese. So now when I see the Guanyin, sometimes I think, oh, that's I get them there's Guanyin again. But for first glance, you know, you don't really see the Chinese goddess so much in So yesterday we were at this temple, so you don't see it so much in Thailand. I usually see totally different representations from the Chinese Buddhism, usually. But as you can see, not always. So, okay. So yesterday I was at this giant temple over here. And today I want to do something a little bit different, so we're gonna, I want to keep walking straight actually. Actually, maybe what I'll do is I'll follow this across, try to go over that way. So yeah, I had some video of this temple from yesterday, but today I'm going to walk straight down this road. It's kind of a way for me to get to know Bangkok better. I saw this yesterday. And over here they had some live music that they were getting set up for last night. Last night was Sunday, today's Monday. What? Sita Tawara. I'm sure I'm not pronouncing that correctly, but so yeah, I think I think we're going to keep walking down the street and we're going to walk towards like Siam and kind of the shopping areas, and then it goes into Sukhumvit. So we might as well just see how far we can walk today. I like walking across Bangkok because it's a pretty interesting city for walking. Yeah, this temple is beautiful. Sun is starting to come down too. And over on that side, you can see some temples. You can see them right there. So I'm gonna just walk for another minute or two. We'll see if we can see some more of the deity statues. And the name of the street is called Bamrang Muang. And that's what we're gonna walk down in a minute. Or is it the cross street? I always get that confused. I'm gonna go down this way. Sirifong Street. So I did film this yesterday. Tanan Bamrang Muang Sirifong. And as you can see, there's some nice statues like that. And I believe that they go all the way down. So you can see them over there. And you can see them over here too, right? I think this would be a good vacation spot. That's the end of this one. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.